So a lot of these fireplaces in old properties are the brickwork's pretty covered in mortar, like this. And I've just been looking at a couple of different ways how do you kind of clean up these fireplaces. And obviously you can try and clean them up with white brushes, paint them, use brick acid on them. So there's different ways to try and kind of work through them. You can obviously repoint areas like this. This is all kind of pretty broken down. So if you're doing it kind of, you'd probably refill these and repoint. But in terms of the cleaning up of the bricks themselves, tried a couple of different options, including some wire brushes and other things. And you can see at the top there, it's pretty dirty. And then here is a section I started cleaning up. And I'm using this pad actually. So this one came from Screwfix, like 20 quid, but I think I've seen them online. If you're not in a hurry for them, they're about 8 quid. And you can just basically rub the brick like this, and it essentially scratches off. Be careful you don't go too far, but it will scratch off all this mortar. So you see this brick here. So don't go crazy, but there you'll see it starting to come up now. There you go. So that then comes up, and so don't go too bad, and then you can kind of go very gently at the end, and it will kind of just start to smooth out any other scratches. So that's kind of a brick down in the middle so you can see it. So we just applied that actually. I'm going to whiz upstairs and show you. Keep the video running just for 2 seconds. I'll show you this one. So this one's being finished now. Same sort of state originally. We've got to paint the actual fireplace itself, but it's actually come out really nice. So that kind of gives you an idea about doing it. The brick acid actually didn't work too well. Even individually put onto the bricks didn't work great. So I said, recommend that. It's actually quite a good tool. We haven't repointed these and ground them all out. We're kind of leaving them authentic and kind of rustic. But actually I'm kind of happy with that. So yeah, that's kind of, if you are looking at how to restore your chimneys back to kind of their former glory, then hopefully gives you an idea about how they can potentially come out.